Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a simple method through which you can set your out of office or any other status message on your Teams mobile. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, Teams, this has been used a lot across various organizations. So I'm gonna show you. So I have opened this Teams app on my phone. Okay, tap on your image icon on left hand side top. Okay, now see, there's an option set status message. Okay, so you see there's a field set status message where you can put. Okay, but at the same time, if you come down, you have the option set out of office. So if you click on there on this arrow, so you can set auto reply to. Okay, and you can put like, hi, I am out of office. Whatever, I mean, now many times what happens, you want it to be sent only during specific start and end date, so you can pick it up over here. Okay, you can go to these arrows and you can select who at what time these notifications should start and at what time these notifications should end. Okay, and now show now there's another option, show when people message me. This will show people your status with the message or mention you. So that this also you can enable if you want to. Okay, and in this way this is gonna work for you. So this is how very simple it is. Okay, now this can be done using your desktop client too, I mean in your laptop or any other device where you have actually installed it. But that's not the device we carry all the time with us, right? Instead we all carry this phone device mostly. Okay, still you'll be able to communicate and do other things while on Teams, and this task is gonna help you with ease. Okay, so that is how simple it is, guys. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you have any questions related to Teams or any functionalities, feel absolutely free to shoot at me. I'll try my best to answer those questions. Of course, some questions I may not be able to answer, but still I will try whatever I can for you, because you are like my strength, my subscribers, my viewers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.